Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the evil monkey. And guys, today in the mail came my quad box. This is the quad box for October 2018. So as you can see, the seal is still there. Have not done anything with it, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Let's unbox it. Let's see what's in this month's subscription box. Okay, so here we go. So this is the month for October again. So first thing we've got right off the bat, we've got some Josh Bardwell stickers. So those are pretty cool. All right, guys, so we've got 3 sets of props. These are the HQ props that they sent for the month. These are the 5x4.3 by 3v1s. So I usually don't fly these, but I'm definitely willing to give them a shot. So that's those. Next is our tool of the month. So this is a 8mm hex driver. This is for your motors, and this is actually pretty nice. It's nice and heavy duty, which is pretty cool. So that's always nice to have an extra one of those. So yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, and then next in the box here is a Fox ear antenna. So check this out. This is the Lollipop 2, and this is actually I'm flying these actually on my other drones, and they're really nice antennas. And these are actually, this is the stubby version of it, and I've been thinking about getting a stubby just to try it out to see what it's like. So now I have one that I can try. All right, next there is a coupon code for RDQ. So if you guys want to save 5%, use that coupon code right there. 1, 2, 3, boop, it's gone. Okay. All right, and next, let's see, looks like this is going to be the big item for the month. So this is actually kind of cool. I've been meaning to try these batteries out. This is the Tattoo R line. This is the 1550, let me get that in the picture there so you guys can actually see it. There we go, 1550 100C batteries. So this is actually really cool. Let's take it out of the box. Yeah, this is actually pretty cool. I'm pretty impressed. I do have some Tattoo batteries, but I only have the 1300 milliamp batteries, and they're the 75Cs. So I've been definitely wanting to try some of these out. And last but not least is our shirt of the month. And the shirt of the month is a Josh Bardwell shirt, of course. And it is the Josh Bardwell's, the FPV Know-It-All. And isn't that about the truth, guys? I've watched so many of his videos, and definitely I've checked them out. And then inside here, it's just a list of what came in the box. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. So the quad box this month, you get the 1550 100C Raceline Tattoo battery, pretty nice. That's pretty sweet. And then you get the hex driver tool, so that's pretty cool. And then you get the RDQ coupon, and then you also get the Fox ear Lollipop stubby, so that's pretty cool. And then you get the 3-pack of the HQ props, so which are pretty nice. So guys, thanks for watching my unboxing of the quad box for October 2018. Tune in next month for the next unboxing, which will be for November this month. So thanks guys for watching the video. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.